Yo, what's going on, everybody? Look, the fog lights are working now. I ain't even gonna mess with those things. But in today's video, as you guys can probably tell, we're gonna be getting rid of the old 3-footer here, and we're gonna be getting the old bullet antenna. Pick this up off Amazon. You can get them for like, I think I paid $10 for that one there. Let me grab a pair of pliers and we'll get this thing situated. But yeah, I want to go ahead and swap that out and get that taken care of. I don't know if you guys can notice, but we got the windows in the front tinted now. I'm gonna get the brow. I don't know if I want to do the brow on this truck or if I want to do the full windshield. So I held off on that for now. I'll probably decide on that here soon. But this here is a very straightforward procedure. And it definitely changed the look of the truck a lot just by doing this here. I don't know if there's a screw directly on it. We are about to find out. Well, maybe. Oh, that's too big, that's why. Okay, it's probably gonna be one of these bad boys here. Gotta get on a little extension piece. Thinking it's gonna be this one right here. So they come with little extensions to put on there. And that is the one. All one and done. But typically these here, they don't mess with your radio stations much at all. So I don't mind, putting the old bullet on here. But it definitely makes the truck look a lot better in my opinion. But that's all it is to it there, fellas. All you need here is just, sometimes you can actually twist them antennas off with your bare hand, but unfortunately this one was a little tight. But yeah, that's gonna do for this one. That looks a lot better to me. We just gotta get the windshield tinted or the brow put on. I think we'll be good. He supposedly matched the tint with the back. I didn't go super dark on it. I think it's one under factory or one under legal. So whatever that is, I think it's like what, 15% or 20%. But I got some 5% window tint I'm gonna put on the back glass myself, because it's not really hard tinting the back glasses on the truck. Well, the rear glass, not the back doors. I ain't even touching those. But those are the main ones that give me issues with people with bright lights shining in. But the good thing about this truck is it has the auto dimming mirrors. It has the rear view auto dimming, and then the driver mirror auto dimming. So I'm not really too worried about it, but I definitely want to get the back glass 5% for sure. Make it nice and dark. But yeah, another question I wanted to ask you guys. I've been seeing a lot of exhaust. I don't know what it is, but when you get a truck, like, I don't know if your phone just knows, like it hears you talking about it and it'll just give you recommendations for them. But I want to get a bolt-on exhaust for this truck. I know the Borla S and stuff like that exists, but I don't want to spend like $1,500 on an exhaust that I can get almost the same sound out of if I was to do true duals. I know they make like a rough country kit, and there's another bolt-on kit. But if any of you guys that watch my videos have a truck like this from this year model that has a bolt-on kit, that it's pretty good and it's not like crazy expensive, go ahead and drop a comment and let me know. Because like I said, I want to do a bolt-on kit because I like to do a lot of the work to my vehicles that I get myself. That way I can make content for you guys. So I want to do a bolt-on kit. So if any of you guys, like I said, have any recommendations as far as a good bolt-on kit for this truck here, drop a comment and let me know. Because I've been looking to get an exhaust done. I don't want to do a side exit on this one. I think I want to do 2 pipes out the rear. I think that'll look really good on this truck. I actually seen a couple of them, what was the last weekend, I believe, that had the 2 pipes out the side, well, out the same side. They look really good, so I think that's what I'm going to do for exhaust on this one. But yeah, if any of you guys have any recommendation as far as a bolt-on kit, drop a comment, let me know. And let me know what you guys think. Think of what I had this truck about a week and a half now, and it's already leveled. We got a nice setup on it. Got the windows tinted, got us a bullet antenna. debadged, side steps off, lower valence off. And I mean, these trucks, like now it looks like, I mean, it looks better than I'd say 75 to 80% of the trucks on the road just off this basic stuff that I've done. And I haven't done a whole lot that's super pricey. Now, if you don't have wheels and tires that you can slap on off of another truck on this one, that's where you're gonna run into some money. But as far as the leveling kit was under $100. LED bulbs were under 40, 50 bucks. Lower valence didn't cost anything to remove. Side steps didn't cost anything to remove. Debadging the truck, you will need a heat gun, which you can get those at like Harbor Freight or a store like that for like $20 to $30. Bullet antenna was 10 bucks. Still deciding on the front license plate because I do want to get one for it because it does look kind of wonky without a tag on the front. So that's going to be in the next video. Probably we'll get that. And hopefully by that point, we'll have an idea on what kind of exhaust we're going to put on this thing because it's too quiet. It's too quiet. I do want to do aftermarket tail lights and third brake light, but I don't know if I want to go with Recon like I did on, well, like the ones on the GMC. I didn't pay for those, so I can't say like I did because I didn't do it. It was already on there. But I do want to do some different tail lights, maybe some blacked out tail lights or something like that. I think that would look really good on here. Same thing with the third brake light, or just a more I don't know what you'd call it. Let me show you guys. I want to do something like the one that's on the old GMC. And if anybody is looking for a truck, I might sell this thing. I got it listed for $11,500 the way it sits right now. If any of you guys are close to North Carolina and want it, shoot me a DM on Snapchat, or not Snapchat, but Instagram. But yeah, I want to do something like this third brake light, more of a, I don't know, upgraded look. But yeah, if any of you guys are interested in the truck, let me know. Like I said, I'll take $11,500 for it the way it sits now. And these wheels and tires, they're basically new. I mean, the tread on them is like 90%. And they're real good tires. They're Michelin's. They come off of that thing. But I got too many trucks right now. Like I want to do work to this one, but then I was like, well, I want to do something to this one. And then the Ranger, I want to do something to the Ranger. Luckily, there's no upgrades for that available right now, besides the side or the floor mats and small stuff like that, the back flip for the box itself, and then the OBS. I want to do stuff to it. I just got too many trucks right now, so I think if somebody brings me $11,500 for this one, I'd let it go. And if you follow the channel, you know what's done to the truck. It's a real good truck. I don't want to sell it, but if somebody happens to bring me $11,500 for it, I'd probably part ways with it. But yeah, I want to do a third brake light like that one on the old, I don't know what we should call this one, man. It's like a cream color. Can't call it a Stormtrooper because it's you know, it don't got black wheels and it's not white. It's more of an off-white color. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. I don't want to keep on rambling. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I will leave a link in the description for the old antenna right there. That way, if any of you guys want to pick it up, like I said, I paid 10 bucks for it. You can get black and silver, black and red, black and blue, black on black, and the color would be here on this top piece. I think it unscrews. So if you didn't like the black, you could actually order the tip for it and swap it out that way. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed the video, go hit that like button, go ahead and smash that sub button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.